Hi, my name is Dr. Kadir Aslan. I'm the Assistant Dean of Research and Graduate Studies and a Professor of Chemistry at Morgan State University. Aslan Research Group at Morgan State University has invented a new technology called metal-assisted and microwave-accelerated evaporative crystallization, or in short, MA-MAEC. This technology promises to crystallize target molecules in a shorter time than the conventional techniques. And it uses microwaves and metal nanoparticles, and as the name indicates. The MA-MAEC patent is Morgan's first ever patent in its 147 years of history. So you might say that we made history in making our patent the first patent of Morgan in its history. Not the last though. The MA-MAEC technique solves the problem of long crystallization times. What do I mean by that? Currently, certain molecules like proteins that are involved in human diseases, the crystallization of them takes several weeks up to months. Our technique and the iCrystal system promises to crystallize these macromolecules in a significantly short time, thus helping the scientists to develop and understand the diseases better, develop inhibitors and understand the diseases better. Also, this technique solves the problem of high throughput crystallization of target molecules that the big pharma faces. What do I mean by that? Big pharma synthesizes thousands of drug candidates or small molecules to be evaluated as a potential drug to solve certain diseases. At one point, they need to see the crystals of all these molecules, and this is a time-consuming and expensive process. With our technique, using iCrystal plates, a consumable, and an iCrystal system, which is a microwave, big pharma can be crystallizing. They can crystallize their thousands of drug candidates in a much efficient way in a shorter time. So our technique allows big pharma to do high throughput crystallization of drug candidates. So the MA-MAEC technique is based on fundamental chemical engineering phenomena. It is using microwave-induced temperature gradients when an environment that has nanoparticles and a solution is heated via microwave, there will be a temperature difference between the solvent and the surface. So we put our molecules in the warmer solvent and the surface is cooler, so then this MITIG or MITG phenomena results in mass transfer of these molecules from the warmer solution to the surface, where they crystallize in a much rapid manner. Using iCrystal, we will understand the diseases that we have little or no understanding yet. As the example of Alzheimer's that we talked about, the protein involved in Alzheimer's disease is virtually non-crystallizable. That is, there is no crystal structure after millions and 100 millions of funding there is yet to be a crystal structure. Using this new technique, our technique, which is MA-MAEC, we are hoping to crystallize the first time that protein that is related to Alzheimer's so that we can develop new drugs. If we develop drugs for Alzheimer's, we can increase the performance of aged persons so that they can, remember where they are. They have better interactions with their family and surrounding, thus elongating their life span. So we're hoping that in the future, understanding the diseases that makes our lives shorter and finding a cure for them will help their lives.